Mabha. Directions. The sentences given in each question, when properly sequenced, form a coherent paragraph. Each sentence is labeled with a letter. Choose the most logical order of sentences from among the given choices to construct a coherent paragraph. Question. Sentence A. Experts such as Larry Burns, head of research at GM, reckon that only such a full-hearted leap will allow the world to cope with the mass motorization that will one day come to China or India. Sentence B. But once hydrogen is being produced for biomass or extracted from underground coal or made from water using nuclear or renewable electricity, the way will be open for a huge reduction in carbon emissions from the whole system. Sentence C. In theory, once all the bugs have been sorted out, fuel cells should deliver better total fuel economy than any existing engines. Sentence D. That is twice as good as the internal combustion engine, but only 5 percentage points better than a diesel hybrid. Sentence E. Allowing for the resources needed to extract hydrogen from hydrocarbon oil, coal or gas, the fuel cell has an efficiency of 30%. In the given options, we find that the paragraph would either start with sentence C or sentence A. Now, if we look at sentence A, it gives us such a full-hearted leap. That means a reference of such a leap should be there in the previous sentence. So A cannot start the sentence, so third and fourth options cannot be the answer. Now sentence C can be the opening sentence in theory, which would be followed by sentence E, that is allowing for resources needed to extract hydrogen from hydrocarbon, oil, coal or gas. The fuel cell has an efficiency of 30%. Talking of 30%, which is twice as good as the internal combustion engine. So C, E and D form a link which is there in option number 1. So option 1 is the right answer. Thank you. Karke dikhayenge.
Hello, I'm Seema. Directions. The sentences given in the question, when properly sequenced, form a coherent paragraph. Each sentence is labeled with a letter. Choose the most logical order of sentences from among the given choices to construct a coherent paragraph. The major link for this question is BDC. Starting with B, so what's wrong with him? Coming to D, he is human and he thinks he's a great driver. That's what's wrong with him. Then followed by E, but don't saddle up that high horse, you're probably just as bad yourself, and concluding with A. So the link would be BDCEA as given in option number 1. Answer is option 1. Thank you. Karke dikhayenge. Hello, I'm Seema. Directions. The sentences given in this question, when properly sequenced, form a coherent paragraph. Each sentence is labeled with a letter. Choose the most logical order of sentences from among the given choices to construct a coherent paragraph. To the answer now. For this question, BE is the link. Eliminate negative thought patterns and speech habits, banishing words like can't, won't and shouldn't. After that, E and C are linked. The word should can sap your energy if you use it to chastise or blame yourself, so get rid of it. So we see that BE and EC are the links and they are present only in option number 4, BE and EC. So our answer is option 4. Answer to this question is option number 4. Thank you. Karke dikhayenge. Hello, I'm Seema. Directions. The sentences given in this question, when properly sequenced, form a coherent paragraph. Each sentence is labeled with a letter. Choose the most logical order of sentences from among the given choices to construct a coherent paragraph. To the answer now. AD is the obvious link. Starting with, some say that power is the ability to exert influence beyond those one actually controls. Others maintain that power boils down to the ability to get what one wants. And option B is aptly concluding the paragraph after giving the different manifestations to what power means. So in this regard, our paragraph should start with the manifestation of what power means, which is given in C. So starting from C and concluding with B, it should be CADEB as seen in option number 2. The answer is option 2. Thank you. करके दिखाएंगे.